What we're trying to do in this room is reduce the overall reverberation, but specifically when you're sitting in your position recording, you want to get the signal directly from your monitors rather than getting the signal with a delayed signal, the first reflection off a perimeter wall or off a side wall that muddies your first signal. So what we're going to do with this space is we're going to, if you were to run a mirror on this wall and saw a reflection of the speaker, that's where your first reflection is. So we're going to put an acoustical panel here. Same thing over here, we're going to put acoustical panels right in this area so the engineer will be able to hear the signal directly from the monitors. This is a Sonex classic foam. It's made out of a melamine material, which is Class A fire rated, which means you can put a torch on it and it won't burn. You have a positive and a negative pattern. So the best way to install these is negative, then positive, negative, then positive, or if you want to, you can have a checkerboard pattern. We have a measurement here of 21 and a half. So we're going to cut these panels down using a long blade utility knife. Next we're going to glue the panel, the back of the panel. Let's go a bead of caulk around the perimeter. Doesn't have to be a whole lot. It's pretty lightweight material. Weighs less than a pound per sheet. What I'm going to do is slide this speaker out a little bit. Put this into position. Get level. And there it is. All right, we have two more panels. What we're going to do is put them over here, and we'll stick with this pattern. Horizontally use the negative, the positive, the negative, and the positive. All right, we're having 8 pieces of foam, and it looks like it takes about 1 tube per 2 sheets. Go. Lowered the reflective energy in the room. Gotten rid of some of the ring in the room so that we can hear more of the music rather than the room.